Greetings. My name is Dr. Rick Upchurch, and I'm going to give you a short tutorial now on one of the most useful tools in Excel. I use this tool practically every day. So, I'm planning to do several of these about different aspects, but this one I'm going to start with is one that I think you can use all the time, and it will make using Excel so much easier for you. I have in front of me a section report. It could be any spreadsheet that you work with on a regular basis. Notice that this particular one has, looks like 400 rows. So not a particularly huge spreadsheet, but big enough so that getting around in it could be a problem. So here's the tip. Click anywhere inside the spreadsheet. Go up and choose Data and choose the filter. This turns on these header things in each of the rows, little handles. This allows you to do a lot of things. It allows you, first of all, to sort A to Z. So I've just sorted the entire spreadsheet based off of section location. That's really nice, but it also allows me to eliminate certain ones or to select by hitting select all, turning on and off. I can do that, and I can just choose Birmingham, for instance, and Houston. I hit OK, and now all that's going to show up are those two campuses in this particular spreadsheet. I can choose to arrange what is left by the first day of class. Or I can choose to say all I want to see are the courses that are going to be starting in January. And that automatically limits me down now to 94 rows. This is a tremendous way of quickly moving your data into usable format so that you can make sense of it. And so I highly recommend trying it. You will be very happy with the results, and it allows you to do multiple things so that you saw that I was able to filter here and filter here and sort so that I have what I needed, but I could have easily done that on any of the sections, and I could rearrange this. What typically happens is it works in order, so that if you do one column and do the next, doesn't it completely eliminate the past column, sort. It will try and maintain that, but it also moves into another sort that builds off of that. Anyway, hope this has been helpful to you. I will do some more tips at a later date. Thanks.